Hi everyone, in this video I will explain you about API testing. API testing is also a very good, very in demand testing career. So in software testing career, API testing is also a separate part. API testing I will recommend to all the people who are already working as a manual tester. They have few months of experience or years of experience also. They are eligible to learn API testing and start their journey towards API testing career. Now, what is this API? What happens exactly in API testing? I will explain you now. Before that, let us understand what is an API. API full form or API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is an interface between two softwares. So it passes information from one software to the other software. So it is a kind of mediator. I am just giving you a reference so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now let me give you one example. We all have weather monitoring or weather report mobile app in our smartphones, right? Have you wondered from where these mobile apps collects the data and how did this mobile app shows us the data that what will be the temperature tomorrow? How this mobile app forecast the temperature, or is it going to rain tomorrow? There is a small API story behind this. Now, Indian government or any country's government, they have this weather bureau and weather bureau software also, which collects all the information and creates a weather report. Now, these mobile applications which shows weather report, these mobile applications has connected with the weather bureau software with the help of a API. The API collects all the information from the weather bureau software and shows us the report or the forecast weather report for maybe tomorrow or day after or the full week's report. It will show that information to us. Now in this whole story, what happens? The mobile app with the help of a API is collecting all the information from the weather bureau software, right? That is what API does. API is a interface which connects two softwares and it also shares the information from one software to the other software. So that is about API. Now, what happens? Why APIs are required or developed in businesses? Definitely to improve the business, to grow the business. If the business customers requires additional information, it can be from weather bureau software, or it can be from a social media, or it can be from an e-commerce giant. So any kind of businesses which needs this additional information, they will create a API, they will attach that API or use that API to connect with the software, collect the information, and the business will show the information to their customers. Now that is why businesses, they invest in API development. Now understand, any software or any business which needs APIs, they will definitely develop that API from a software company, right? If software company gets a project to create an API, software company, if they do not have any developers, they will hire API developers, and they also need to hire API testers, because wherever there is a requirement for API development, definitely there will be a requirement for API testing as well. Now, API testing is definitely very important, because if the API testing is not done appropriately, that may be a very big risk to the business. So that is the reason API testers adds lot of value in the development of the complete software, in running the complete software. So API testers play a very important role in the whole project development part. Now, to become an API tester, what are the skills required? As I have told in the beginning, I will always recommend API testers to people who are already working as manual testers, or they have some experience in manual testing. For those people, API testing is appropriate. Then what are the skills manual testers possess? The first skill that they possess is writing test cases. Writing test cases, then executing the test cases and reporting if they find any bug. These are the basic skills that an API testers needs. Apart from this, API testers should also have very good knowledge or in-depth knowledge about what is API, how many different types of APIs are there. API tester, they should also have good knowledge about the tools that they use in API testing. For example, Postman, SOAP UI, JMeter. So these kind of tools knowledge is also required in a API tester. In few situations, API tester, they also automate the process. So automation knowledge is also required. Not only technical skills, but I will also say API testers must definitely possess communication skills. Not only API testers, I would say to all the testing professionals, communication skills is a must. I'll tell you a reason. In most of the software development company, there will be always a dispute between developers and testers. Yes, you heard me right. There will be always a dispute between the development team and the testing team. Development team always disagrees with any bugs. Development team says that no, this is not a bug. This can't be a bug. Client requirement is like that only. Development team usually tells like that. And software testing team will tell, no, this is a bug. You have to work on this bug. No, this is a bug. Client requirement is not like that. So testing team will always tell like that. What happens? There is a disagreement or there is a dispute. I would say in layman's language, there is a fight between the development team and the testing team. Now, if a tester's communication skill is not appropriate, then the tester will not be able to convey or explain his ideas or explain his thinking to the other team or other people, right? That is the reason I say testers, especially the testing professionals, they must have good communication skills so that they can put their ideas in front of the people, in front of the everybody. So that is another thing. So software testers, definitely you should improve your communication skills. Now, if you are a manual tester and you have learned all these things, what is the salary you can expect becoming an API tester? If a fresher student is getting into API testing, yes, many multinational companies, they directly pick good candidates, graduates from college, they take them as API testers. And if a person is starting their career as a fresher and if they got selected from campus placement, their salaries will be obviously high. How much high? It may start from 4 lakhs or 4.5 lakhs and above if a person is getting selected from campus placement. If a person is getting selected from off campus placement, I mean to say walk-in drives or like from job portals kind of thing, their salary as a fresher may start from 2.5 lakhs per annum. Now, if a manual tester is starting their career after 6 months or 1 year, if a manual tester is getting into API testing, their salary may range depending on what was their previous salary. But on an average, I would say 4.5 lakhs and above will be the salary of a 1 year or less than 1 year manual tester in India, specifically in Hyderabad. City wise also the salaries may vary. For example, in Hyderabad, the salaries will be slightly less than salaries that are offered in Bangalore. So that is about salaries I have explained you. Now, if a student, I mean to say a person who a student who is in the second year or third year of their BTech or graduation, how can they prepare themselves for software testing career? I will guide you. Now, first thing, students who are in their second year or third year and they have made their mind that they want to get into software testing career, they should start preparing from the same moment. They should start understanding what is software testing, what are the different types of software testing, what are test cases, how to write test cases, and what is how to execute the test cases, how to report bugs, what are bugs, what are APIs, different types of APIs, what is STLC, software testing life cycle, what is bug life cycle. All these things students can start preparing from the moment they have decided that they want to start their career in software testing. API testing is a separate career, I would say. Now, students should also, after doing the basic research of all these things, students can use Google and YouTube as well. But I would suggest the second step, after researching on YouTube and Google, the second step students must do is take proper training from a training institute or a experienced trainer. There are many people who watches videos, YouTube videos, like 10 hours video, 15 hours videos. They complete the complete video in 1 day or 2 day, and they think that they have become an expert in that skill. I would say that is not the correct thinking. Candidates should only use YouTube videos as reference or to improve their basic knowledge. Yes, there are many people who have become expert using Google or YouTube videos also, but they have practiced on a live project as well. Practice on a live project will definitely help you to gain that expertise or to gain that additional knowledge. But only watching a 10 hours video in 1 day and assuming that you have become an expert, I will not agree with that. So find out a training institute or a trainer who is giving proper or in training in an organized way. You can choose classroom training also, you can choose or online training also. It depends on your comfort. So that is student must do in the second step. The third step or third plan of action, I would say, for students is build a very good resume and start applying in different job portals. What job portals I will refer? I will refer Google, Naukri. I will refer I will ask students to use Naukri, LinkedIn Jobs, and also Indeed. These three job portals are enough to get good number of interview calls. Once you get interview calls, that will be easy for you to crack the interview if you have good communication skills. So that was all about API testing career. I hope I have given you some good information about overview about the API testing career. What do you think about API testing? Is it worth to learn or get into this career? Answer me in the comment section of this video. And if you have never heard about API testing also, let me know in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, if you like my efforts, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and family members also on WhatsApp group, Telegram group, and also different social medias like Instagram and LinkedIn. So that's it. And if you're watching this video for the first time, my name is Sushmita Madhu, and I'm the owner of a IT training institute called Career 9. My training institute is located in Hyderabad, and you can check my website www.career9.com. What are the trainings we provide in our training institute? Everything you can see from our website itself. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. Do not forget to click the bell icon. I will see you tomorrow in another very informative career video. Thank you so much. All the best and namaste.